friends, today we are going to learn about first aid kit. So let's get started. But what is first aid kit? A first aid kit or medical kit is a collection of supplies and equipment used to give immediate medical treatment, primarily to treat injuries and other mild or moderate medical conditions. Standard kits often come in durable plastic boxes, fabric pouches, or in wall-mounted cabinets. The type of container will vary depending on the purpose, and they range in size from wallet-sized through a large box. It is recommended that all the kits are kept in a clean, dust and damp-proof container to keep the contents safe and aseptic. Contents of first aid kits: pocket mask, face shield, thermometer, adhesive dressings, antiseptic solution, bandages, cotton balls or swabs, torch, gauze sponge, gloves, hand sanitizer, ice pack, saline solution, tweezers and scissors. So friends, these are the photos of contents of first aid kit. Hope this video was informative for you. Thank you.